Hello and welcome to Simple Slides. My name is George. Today I'm going to walk you through our new membership backend and show you how to use all the tools that are available to you here. So really quickly, to access the membership site, you can get there either by typing in members.simpleslides.co or from our new homepage. All you need to do is click this login button here in the header on the right side, and that will take you to the login screen. Now, of course, I'm already logged in, so I'm not seeing the actual place where you log in, type in your username and everything, but you'll type that in and you'll get access in here. Once you're in here, most of what you'll want to access will be over here under Access Your Slides. That's where your slide access is going to be. You click that and you're going to see the package that you purchased. Now you're seeing all the packages because I'm the admin, but you would normally just see whatever you have access to. Click on it to get into it, and then once you're inside your membership, this is where all the magic happens. So in here you'll be able to download every single slide that you'd ever want. There's a couple different ways to do it, and I'll walk you through them right now. So one of the things that some people like to do is just download everything at once. If that's something that you choose to do, that's this section right here, titled Download Everything. You can download PowerPoint right here. It's broken into two parts, and then an animated piece, because the animated stuff is pretty large. Those are pretty big graphics, so that takes up a lot of bandwidth to download. So this is broken into three parts, and then there's the Google Slides and Keynote versions, and then the Illustrator and Photoshop ones as well. So you can download the pieces depending on, if you want to get everything at once. Some people like to do that, but some people have bandwidth constraints, so they like to look for just specific templates for whatever they're working on right now. And if that's the case, the best way to do that is to use the search function up here. So this is a search bar. In it, you can type whatever you want. I'm going to type in business, for example, because I want to work on a business presentation, right? And so now it's searching everything in your membership to find anything that has to do with business. So the first thing you're seeing is these are a couple different trainings that are in here, because you are going to get the trainings as well if you are in premium, for example, as I am in this example. You'll see all the trainings that are available, but then you'll see all these different presentations. And so these are all different business presentations specifically that we've created. You can get access to each one. You just click into it. This is one that's full of infographics. And of course, we do have two different types of presentations inside your membership. You have infographics, which are kind of just like, the spices on top of a good dish and some good cooking, or, full presentations that have agendas, the whole deal, where you can build out a full presentation. We recommend mixing and matching, and you'll see that in here. We do have some documentation for how you can mix and match these things together, but we do recommend mixing and matching the different infographics with the full presentations. But when you get into each one, you click in, you'll see there's two sections underneath business here. There is the download, where you can actually download the presentation. This has links to download. You just click the link to download. You've got an option for, in most cases, PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Keynote. It's up to you, depending on what platform you're using. Just choose whichever one makes most sense to you. I'm on PowerPoint, so I would click this. You get taken to the file, and then just click download right there. You'll see in a second, it's already, this is from I've downloaded this before, so you'll see it right there, but there it is, downloading a second time. So that's how you download. That's one way to do it. The other way to do it, before you download, one of the things that is also helpful is this preview section. So if you want to take a look at what is in the presentation before you download, click on the preview section. In the preview section, you'll click this, click to preview. That will take you to a PDF. Now, of course, PDF you can't edit, so don't download this. It's not that helpful, but it will take you to this where you can look through and see everything that's in that presentation before you download it. So all these are pictures of the slides that are in that PowerPoint file I just downloaded. So that's a great way to preview things before you download them. Don't get confused though, because they are PDFs. There is the PowerPoint file there. You do want to download the actual PowerPoint, Keynote, or Google Slides file to actually edit it and do the work that you need to do in it. If you download the PDF, you will run into a bunch of problems trying to edit it. So don't download the PDF. It's purely there just as an example to show you what is in the presentation before you download it, because we know people have bandwidth constraints sometimes and cannot download big files at once. So we want to make it really easy for you to choose the right file before you download and make that commitment. So that's why the preview is there. It's really just meant as a tool though. It is not something that you necessarily need to download. But that is a great way to find what you're looking for, is use that search bar and type in the type of presentation you're looking for. You can also scroll down, and I won't go through all this because there is a lot of stuff here to go through, but you'll see there are all these different presentations and packs that have been built, and all you have to do is click this download one to download, and click whatever link it is that you choose to download for yourself. And then of course there's the preview one below, and that's the way it is for all of these. You'll also see, if you are on the premium, you will see your courses in here as well. Like this is the Excel 101 course, for example, and you can click into any of these, and they all have the lessons right there. Just click play and you can watch your lessons in there. So that is how the back end works. That's how you access your materials. If you have access to Masterclass as well, you'll see it in here too. But that is how you access the materials from the back end. If you have any questions as you're going through it, of course, feel free to reach out. Send us an email at support@simpleslides.co. We're really grateful that you took the time to buy our product. We really hope you'll get out of it what you're looking for. And if you have any suggestions, especially if you're a premium user where we create those updates, definitely let us know so that we can make sure we add to it in the best way possible and make it as good of a product as we can for you in the community. So with that, I will let you get to it. Appreciate it, and talk to you soon.